Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your junior English teacher Iram of 4th class. Today it's 17th of June and today we will read page number 69 and page number 70. So first of all let's see what is our topic. Agreement of subject and verb. File or fail ka muahida. So agreement of subject and verb. What is the agreement of subject and verb? The subject of a sentence must agree with its verb. सिंगुलर और जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके साथ हम लोग सिंगुलर वर्ब लगाते हैं, जो प्लूरल वर्ब होता है उसके साथ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ प्लूरल वर्ब लगाते हैं। ठीक है, सिंगुलर और उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या होता है, जो सिंगुलर वर्ब होता है उसके साथ हम लोगों ने इन सब के साथ अपने सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करना है। ईच, एनीबडी, नोबडी, एवरीबडी, each, every, anybody, nobody, everybody, everyone, no one, neither. Use plural when two singular nouns in the subject are joined by an. जब हमारे पास singular nouns होंगे in the subject are joined with and then we will use plural verb. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट अब हम देखेंगे अपना केस में हमारे पास क्या एग्जाम्पल्स दी हुई हैं। द बॉय प्लेज फुटबॉल एवरी सैटरडे। द बॉयज़ प्ले फुटबॉल एवरी सैटरडे। अब देखें, बॉयज़ अगर होगा तो हम उसके साथ प्ले लगाएंगे और अगर प्लेज होगा तो उसके साथ बॉय लगेगा। नीदर ऑफ द टू बॉयज़ वॉज टू blame. Nobody likes having to admit a mistake. The dog and the cat are quite friendly. Now we will do our activity and we will fill this. Choose the correct verb from the pair above to complete each sentence. My mother makes delicious flapjacks. Mother is a singular, then we will use plural makes. She cleans her car regularly. We will use cleans. Everybody has to eat in order to live. She does her best to improve her spelling. Naveed and Mina always put their toys away. The children make a noise when they play. Some people take their pets on holiday. Neither of these two books is suitable. Some pupils do their best to write neatly. So today's our page number 69 is completed. It is very easy and very short. I hope you will learn this and you will fill this page. Next page we have page number 70 and our topic is words to complete words. So first of all let's see activity A. We have to fill this. A word of 4 letters is needed to complete each of the unfinished word in these sentences. So we will complete this. For example, card. We have given card, DIGAN. We will complete this with card. This woolen cardigan will keep you warm. He scored a century. URY. We have given URY. We will put 4 words century. We will make it century. 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 In his every first innings. I have come to the last. TER. We will put over here CHAPTER. Chapter in my book. Roger and his partner, 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 gave a fine exhibition of dancing. The balloon burst when Tony was blowing it up. The factory, FACTORY, factory manufactures a large variety of toys. It did not take the nurse long to bandage the patient's leg. We will start work in earnest next Monday morning. We will see sentence and then we will put 4 words of suitable and we will make a word. Okay, now we will see activity B. Just like activity A, we will fill this activity B, but we have given first letters and we will write last 4 letters. First of all, A, Spectator passed a rude remark about the referee. The cowboy put a bridle on his horse. He got the boat at the bargain price of 250. A reward of 50 was offered for the return of the lost watch. RE, we have given RE, then we will put WARD, reward. Next, the patients would not give their consent to the marriage. The class had to translate a French story into English. Translate, TRANS, then we will put LATE, translate. Strong pillars were needed to support, support the heavy platform. Pat had an object sheet of cardboard 10 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Number 9. The prisoner made his escape by climbing over the prison wall. So, I hope you will learn this page and you will fill this page very carefully, and our lecture is completed. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.